Well, what's up, everybody? Beautiful night here in California. What a better way to spend it than changing a fuel filter on the van. It's going to be a quick video on how to change the fuel filter. When I looked it up, there's about 3 different brands for at least G20, G10, G30 Chevy vans. Pretty sure the GMC ones, I can't remember what they're called, but basically any 80s Chevy van or early 90s, you can do this to it. I'm pretty sure the older ones too. All it takes is a couple wrenches, and the idea is you want to remove the other side from one side and then the other one, and they should just come off. Put the new one, just put it back together. You're gonna get fuel in your armpit for sure, your face. Safety glasses are a must. We don't have any, so we're just gonna have to tough it out. We went with the wicks. There was 2 options, K&N wicks. Actually, there was a microguard one, but if you use microguard, then that's embarrassing. So we went with the wicks. I didn't see much of a difference with the K&N one. I just like the wicks one. So we'll get down there and then show you what we're doing with.
All right, guys. The filter is right there. There's a lug you're gonna take out. It's a size 13. Also, if you see this rusty like this one, make sure you put some WD-40 or any type of penetrating lube so you can get the fucker out. Yep. So basically, these are the 2 things you gotta take out, one from each side. But before you can remove this, take this one out, and yeah, I mean, it should be easy. A lot of gas in our face or armpits, but yeah, should be good. What the fuck?
Drogadictos.
He said, I'm looking for Eddie.
What the hell?
Sí.
Really? He said Eddie?
He called me Eddie.
What the hell?
And I'm like, what the fuck?
I thought he said, hey man, you know, like.
No, he was calling me Eddie. And I was like, what the fuck?
Okay, so mine didn't need to put any WD-40. In some other cars, you might have to.
Wait, just make sure you put the filter on the same direction.
Yes, sir.
It's gotta flow.
Yeah, other thing, guys, make sure you guys put the filter the way you guys take it out.
There's an arrow on the filter.
Yeah. I gotta look for the arrow on this bitch because I can't see shit. So basically, the arrow means put it this way. The arrow. I think. It's just somewhere in there. So we'll see how it goes. What other tools to do? Oh, right here. Never mind. Yes, sir. Let's see how this shit is gonna go down. Just be careful, Fernando, with the Fidel's expensive phone. Sometimes you gotta pull the shit out and use your muscle. Damn, it's gonna be all over the fucking hand, bro. Alright, ready, Fernando?
Go.
This shit is loose. Oh, chiquitita. Count it, daddy. Okay. So one side first.
Oh, your expensive phone.
Fucking $5,000 phone, bro. Damn, that shit sucks. Well,
You calling his phone?
yeah, it's gonna smell like gas the whole ride.
Why is your phone always texting meetings?
Dude, because first of all, I don't know, man, what the fuck. I guess I need a new phone. That's the sign. Alright, so I'll take this shit out slowly.
Oh, fuck, that shit's strong, dude.
This shit is hella
Getting
good,
your
bro.
hammer high. Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck.
I'm pretty sure not gonna smoke anytime soon.
Yeah, I don't smoke. You gotta get on tired. Okay,
Dude, that fucking
Oh shit.
Here, I'll let it drain over here.
I think it was a good option. We could have brought like a bucket.
Yeah, or a better rag or something. Bro.
Yeah.
Fuck my life, bro. I'm gonna be fucking driving this shit, smelling the whole fucking way home. Alright, I forgot how the arrow goes, Fidel.
What does it say?
It says,
Flow that way. So,
flow this way.
yeah, so the arrow has to be towards the front of the car.
I knew it, but I wasn't quite sure. Oh, watch out, Fernando.
Damn, that shit out of my face. Hold up.
You good?
Yeah, it was good. Hey, you probably check your phone.
Damn.
I got it.
Okay, it looks like the homie Fernando took a spray to his face. Fucking Sergio.
Hey, I'm not a fucking pro. What the fuck, bro?
What happened?
It's in there already.
Oh, it's in there? Oh, it's going back in.
You don't want to go there.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm gonna shower before I get.
You go home.
Thinking of smoking a cigar, okay, guys?
We're just gonna lay back here, let Sergio deal with it. He's the mechanic.
I'm a professional mechanic. All right, guys. So there's a new filter. It's simple. Just disconnect it from those sides. I do recommend you guys have a bucket or something to hold gas on the bottom, because or else you're gonna make a mess. And make sure you wear your safety glasses, okay? We never learn. We always say safety first, but we never fucking actually do it. So, oh wait, so my bad. Safety third. That's Fidel's fucking line. But okay, so you know it's a new one there. We hope she's put it the right way, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Say hello for now.
Hey, also just wanted to show you guys the old filter. That's pretty crappy here. So that was probably working fine. We just know that at some point you gotta service that, so we just went ahead. But that's gonna be a wrap, guys. Just a quick video on how to do that. Shout out to Sergio for getting down and getting all that gas on his armpit. But that's gonna be a wrap, everybody.
Or cut through the building.
Or cut through the building.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so homie Fernando, you seen him a couple of videos. He's out here. Haven't seen him in a while. Rona times. But he's got his 75 Camaro that you can't really see right now because it's too dark. But this thing is fucking badass.
We'll see if it doesn't burn.
And he wants to just let it rip. So
With the black car.
yeah, he wants to give you guys the goodbye just to send it. So we'll see. A little brake light hack here. But I think you can see the car a little bit better here. Look at this thing. Yeah.